Bosnia and Herzegovina's Ministry of Defense is currently negotiating the purchase of 6 Bayraktar TB2 unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, from the Turkish defense company Baykar, according to reports from Bosnian media. Alongside the UAVs, Bosnia is also discussing the acquisition of 3 command systems and has already sent 2 teams for training, as stated by Defence Minister Zukan Hele to the local news outlet Avaz. However, no further details on the terms of the deal have been disclosed. The Bayraktar TB2 drones, produced by Baykar, have gained international attention due to their operational success and cost-effectiveness, leading to their adoption by several countries worldwide. Founded in 1986, Baykar is a private Turkish defense company employing 4,500 people, according to its official website. The TB2 model is particularly known for its versatility and effectiveness in various combat scenarios, which has made it an attractive option for nations seeking to enhance their military capabilities. The Bayraktar TB2 drones have been exported to over 20 countries, establishing Baykar as a significant player in the global UAV market. Notable countries that have already contracted TB2 drones include Albania, Ukraine, Qatar, Azerbaijan, and Poland. Ukraine has prominently utilized Bayraktar TB2 drones in its ongoing conflict with Russia, where the UAVs have been used for reconnaissance and offensive operations. The drones have played a crucial role in providing Ukrainian forces with real-time intelligence and strike capabilities, highlighting their strategic value on the battlefield. Qatar has also integrated Bayraktar TB2 drones into its military, using them primarily for surveillance and monitoring purposes. Azerbaijan's use of TB2 drones was notably seen in the 2020 Nagorno-Karabakh conflict, where the UAVs were credited with providing a significant tactical advantage, contributing to Azerbaijan's military successes. Poland became the first NATO and European Union member to purchase the Bayraktar TB2, marking a significant expansion of the drone's presence in Europe. The Polish government cited the drone's proven combat record and cost-effectiveness as key reasons for their procurement.